Hi, John Paul. Last time we talked about the pressure shift at the top swing, like you can be 75 and over or less than 70%. So today I would like to test like my own swing. What am I and what should I be at the top of the backswing?
Absolutely, Pronop. So what we do normally is we like to make, with the force plate to determine what you do, get a dynamic test. The dynamic test consists to do a max air swing speed with a stick, a swing stick or a club. And the goal is really to try not focus on the ball and trajectory, but how fast you can go. By doing that, naturally, mainly for average player and classical players, they're going to stand at the position of top swing where they feel really strong. And if they feel really strong and stable, this is where they can try to make the maximum speed. So they're not cheating, they're not trying to catch the ball and thinking about technique, they just try to do max speed, and that's the natural position they feel the most strong. Let's do one. So I'll let you take a stick, for example. We're going to measure one on the force plate, and we're going to look at the numbers. First of all, we need to rock your feet, heel, toe, heel, toe. This is perfect, and whenever you want, you can go and make a swing. This is great. Okay, so Nop, what we're going to look now is really at the top swing. Okay, I'm going to stop at the top swing, which is the position you're just changing direction. We're just about here.
Yeah.
Okay. At that time, I can see you've got 62% on the trail leg and 38, sorry, on the lead leg, meaning that you're just at the edge between the rotational player in the center and the lead leg player in the hip. So for you, we know the primary forces from your low body action will be probably the rotation and the vertical force. Is it the case?
Yeah, I always use my left leg to push and spin.
Okay, so that makes sense. And by doing that, we can identify dynamically what's your best position at the top swing to be strong and stable.
Wow, thank you, JP.
My pleasure, Nop.